Hello everyone, here's a question on linear equation. Find the solution to the following equation. So we have two questions here. The first one is 2 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 4. So we have to find the value of x. So it's 2 into x minus 3, which is in the bracket, is equal to x plus 4. So whenever you see a number outside the bracket, like 2 here, we have a 2 outside the bracket and there's a no sign. If you see no sign here, which means it's a multiplication, you have to multiply 2 with this entire bracket. Means you have to multiply this 2 with the numbers which are present inside the bracket. It's called like you're opening the bracket here. So when you multiply, you have to multiply with each number or the variable. So you're going to multiply 2 with x and then 2 with 3. So it will be 2 into x will be 2x. We have a negative sign here. Put the negative sign, minus, and 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So we get 6. And then is equal to, on the right side the same thing, x plus 4. Once you have opened the bracket, we have to find the value of x. That is, you have to bring all the variable to the one side of the equation and all the constants to the one side of the equation. So here I'm going to bring the variables to the left side and the constant to the right side. Now this implies, so 2x minus, I'm going to bring this x to the other side. So I'm using a transposing method here. In transposing method, the signs will change. So if it's positive, it become negative. If it's multiplication, it will become division. Same, it's like vice versa. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and multiplication goes to division, division will become multiplication. So here if you see, the x is a positive sign, right? So when you transpose this to the other side, it will be a negative, so it will be minus x is equal to, and the right side we have 4, so I'm going to keep the 4 here. Now I'm going to bring this minus 6 to the other side. Now sign of minus 6 to the other side, so minus will become plus, so it will be plus 6. Now so 2x minus x is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is 10, so we get 10 here. So x is equal to 10. So that was first question. Now the second one. So we have 3 into 2x minus 5, which is equal to 7x plus 3. Right? So again we have a bracket, so open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, like there is a no sign here, right? So we have to multiply. So 3 into 2x will be 6x. 3 2s are 6 and we have variable x. So it will be 6x. We have a minus sign here. You put the minus sign. And then we have 3 into 5, which is 15, is equal to 7x plus 3. Now bring all the variables to one side and the constant to the other side. So here I'm going to take this 7x to the other side and minus 15 to the right side. So it will look like, when you transpose the numbers, it will be 6x. Now 7x is positive. When you transpose to the other side, it will become negative. So 6x minus 7x is equal to 3. And when you bring this minus 15 to the other side, minus will become plus. So 3 plus 15 will get. Now 6x minus 7x, it's like 6 minus 7, which is minus 1. So we'll get minus x. If it's okay if you don't write 1 here, it's minus x or minus 1x, anything it's same, is equal to 15 plus 3 is 18. Now see here we want only the x value, but if you see here we have x. So we have to transpose this minus x to the other side. You can do two things. You can multiply negative sign on both the sides, like using a balancing method, or just transpose it. So when you transpose, what happens is, there's a no number, right? The coefficient of x is 1 here. There's a no number base, there's a 1 here. So we're going to transpose this minus 1 to the other side. Now minus 1, it's like minus 1 into x is minus 1x, right? So minus 1 is in multiplication with x. When you transpose this to other side, it gonna goes to division. Multiplication become division. So x will be equal to 18 upon minus 1. Now see a lot of comments that my answer is wrong because I have written negative sign in the denominator. Now remember, it doesn't matter where you put negative sign, the whole number is negative. No matter you put in the numerator or denominator, they both are equivalent. Now here if I explain you what is equivalent, the video will become more lengthy. I don't want to do that. So this 18 upon minus 1 is same as minus 18 upon 1 or minus 18. So it's not wrong if you put negative sign in the denominator. In your textbooks or in your mom's answer you see negative sign written in the numerator always. It is true, but negative sign we can write in the denominator, even that is also true. The whole number itself is negative number. Okay, the value is remaining same, it's not changing. So we got x value is equal to minus 18. So that's the answer. I hope this question is clear how to solve the equations. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. I'll try to answer it via video, or I'm gonna give the solution in the comment itself. Thank you so much for watching.